Hello students, in this video we will start the new chapter, that is the amine. So amines, it is the very important compounds which are present in the structures of proteins, then vitamins, then nicotines, such a very important hormones. Okay, so these are the amines. So what is the amines? Amines are the nitrogen containing compounds having the basic character called as amine. Even though the amines are it is a derivative of ammonia. You know ammonia? Ammonia, that is NH3. This is the lone pair of electron on nitrogen. And then this is the structure of ammonia. Okay. Now the derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atom from ammonia gets replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Again, similar alkyl or different alkyl group, similar aryl or different alkyl group. Okay, so they are called as the amines. Then amines, classification of amines. Okay, as earlier we discussed, here these amines are the derivative of ammonia. So here the classification of amines. The amines are classified into three types on the basis of their structure. One is primary amine. This is primary amine. Primary amine. Second one, that is secondary amine. Secondary amine. Then tertiary amine. Tertiary amines. On their structure, amines are classified into primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Okay. So what is primary amine? Primary amine means a amine in which only one hydrogen atom from nitrogen in ammonia gets replaced by alkyl group or aryl group called as primary amine. So primary amine represented by RNH2. Here RNH2. In this, here ammonia, only one hydrogen atom gets replaced by alkyl group. And there are the two hydrogen atoms remain on a nitrogen. And that's why for primary amine, the basic structure or general structure, that is RNH2. If in a structure of amine there is a NH2, then it is primary. Okay. For example, here C2H5NH2. This is ethylamine and this is primary amine. Okay. Then CH3CHCH3. Here NH2. Okay. The name of this compound is secondary propylamine. Secondary propylamine. Though the name is secondary, but the example of amine is a primary. This is the primary amine, but the name is starting from secondary. Here the alkyl group is secondary. Amine is not a secondary. Okay. हे लक्षात आलं का तुमच्या? या ठिकाणी इथे सेकंडरी प्रोपिलामाइन म्हटलं आपण. नाव सेकंडरी आहे, पण एक्झाम्पल कशाचं आहे ते? इट इज अ एक्झाम्पल ऑफ प्रायमरी अमाइन. का? Because here only one hydrogen atom from nitrogen gets replaced by alkyl group. Though that alkyl group is secondary, it may be tertiary or it may be primary. Okay. So this is the secondary propylamine and it is the best example of primary amine. Next one example here CH3CCH3, here NH2 and here CH3. Okay. So its name is tertiary butylamine. Okay. And even though the name is tertiary, even though here there is a tertiary prefix, it is an example of primary amine. Isn't it? Okay. Then next one, that is the secondary amine. Next one, secondary amine. So the secondary amine means amine in which here two hydrogen atoms from ammonia gets replaced by similar or dissimilar alkyl or aryl group called as secondary amine. Here this is R2NH. See here, only NH group is there. So in the primary amine, this is the NH2 group called as amine group. Here only NH group, and this is called as imine group. Okay. So R2NH, this is secondary amine, means two hydrogen atoms from nitrogen gets replaced by two similar or dissimilar alkyl or aryl group called as secondary amine. For example, here CH3NHCH3. This is dimethylamine. Two methyl groups are there. So here dimethylamine is the example of secondary amine. Then CH3N C2H5 here H. This is the ethyl methylamine. It is again best example of here secondary amine. Okay. Though these two are again different and they are again classified into symmetrical and asymmetrical. Okay. Next one, that is the tertiary amine. Okay. This is the tertiary amine. Now tertiary amine means amine in which all three hydrogen atoms from nitrogen in ammonia replaced by three similar alkyl or dissimilar alkyl groups called as tertiary amine. Okay. So here three alkyl group or three aryl group or similar or different alkyl or aryl groups are attached to this nitrogen called as tertiary amine. For example, here CH3 and here CH3 and here CH3. This is called as trimethylamine. It is a best example of tertiary amine. Then CH3 and C2H5 and this is C3H7. Ethyl methyl propylamine. It is example of tertiary amine. Okay. Again, on the basis of here, on the basis of alkyl group bonded to the nitrogen atom, in case of secondary and tertiary amine, these are classified into means secondary and tertiary amine. These are again classified into symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Symmetrical and unsymmetrical amines. They are called as simple or mixed amines. Okay. So, in case of secondary and tertiary, if alkyl groups are present on ammonia are same, then they are called as a simple or symmetrical amine. Here dimethylamine or diethylamine, they are the example of secondary amine. These are the simple amine or symmetrical amine. Here trimethylamine or triethylamine or triphenylamine means these alkyl group or aryl group present on the nitrogen in the secondary and tertiary amine. If they are the same, then it is called as symmetrical or simple amine. Then asymmetrical, unsymmetrical amine or mixed amine means in case of secondary or tertiary amine, if alkyl groups bonded to the nitrogen atom are different, here again CH3, C2H5 and again here CH3, means here different alkyl groups bonded to the nitrogen in amines, then these secondary or tertiary amines, they are called as mixed amine or unsymmetrical amines. Okay, these are the classification of secondary and tertiary amine on the basis of alkyl group bonded to the nitrogen in the amine. Okay, next one classification of amines are means on the basis of alkyl or aryl group which is bonded to the nitrogen atom or which are present in the amines. They are classified into two categories, and these two categories, they are called as, first one, that is aliphatic amines, and second one, that is aromatic amines. Aromatic amines. Okay. Now this aliphatic amines means what? Aliphatic amines means in the amine group there is a aliphatic alkyl group is present, then it is called as aliphatic amine. For example, RNH2 or R2NH or R3N means even though it is primary, secondary or tertiary, but the alkyl group present on the amino group is aliphatic, then it is a class of that organic compounds called as aliphatic amine. And aromatic amines means here aryl group is present on the nitrogen of amino group called as aromatic amine. Means again here ARNH2, AR2NH or AR3NH, these are the class of aromatic amines. Here for example aniline, this is aromatic amine, whereas here C2H5NH2, this is aliphatic amine. Then C2H5 and CH3, here H, ethyl methyl amine, it is aliphatic amine, whereas and here benzene ring, again here benzene ring, and this is H, means diphenylamine, this is a aromatic amine. Okay, isn't it? Then here after watching this video try to attempt following questions. First question, what are amines? How does amine classify? Third one, here how does amine classify on the basis of their structure. Third, how does amine class, how does secondary and tertiary amines classify? Fourth one, is tertiary butyl amine does tertiary butyl amine is primary? Give reason. Then fifth, select primary, secondary and tertiary amines from the following. A, secondary propyl amine. B, isobutylamine. C, ethylmethylamine. D, triethylamine. E, ethyl dimethyl